Baby got mac. You could do this, and it'd be very easy. But why not make and smoke your own? We're gonna grate up some cheese. I got some Gouda. I got some Gruyere, and I got some aged cheddar. Gruyere, super stinky. Be prepared for that. It's feedy, real feedy. We got a stick of butter in the pan. This is how I do my cheese sauce. Stick of butter when you're doing a lot. Obviously you reduce the amount of butter, but then some flour, which is you're creating a roux. A roux? Sorry, that never happens.
Hey, yo.
I'm gonna create a nice, thick, battery substance. Like that. And that is what's gonna thicken up, keep your cheese sauce hold together. And you can let it cook, you can smell it. We're gonna get the flour flavor out of there. You start adding some milk. I like me some whole milk because who likes half milk? And I keep my heat on pretty low and let it come up naturally. You don't want to be burning your cheese and your milk and all that stuff, so just let it come up real slow. Maybe like a tablespoon of salt. I also like to use white pepper. And just use a little bit. It's a bit strong. You don't need to go heavy on the white pepper. This way you don't get big black flecks. It's just a show thing. Keep stirring it. Don't get crazy and leave. See, it's starting to thicken up now and you start to see the steam from the milk. So we are good to start adding some of our cheese. I need to do it in decent clumps, you know? Maybe a third of what you grated. And just start stirring it. It's gonna melt away. I also added some mozzarella just to make it a solid four-cheeser for cheesy. You know what most people say when they start doing cheese stuff?
It's not easy being cheesy.
So I'm not even gonna do it because that's stupid. Just keep stirring, just keep stirring. You can speed up the process quite a bit with an immersion blender. Want to know how you royally fuck up when someone's gluten-free in the house? Use that flour for your cheese sauce. We're gonna take our noodles. And this is a great cheese sauce for any base. So you can make queso out of this. You can add some chilies. It's a great base cheese sauce. You can make it with any cheese you want to. It doesn't have to be the ones that I made. This is a good start for anything. And always use way more cheese than you need to. If anybody's made baked mac and cheese before, you know that when this bakes, the noodles soak up so much of this cheese and you end up with a dry, cakey mid mac and cheese. You always want to make it super soupy. Get crazy. Let's go put this out on the smoker. Let's put this smack down in cheese. Put it about right there where it's not too hot. We got a good flow of heat coming in like this. We're gonna kind of block it and maybe hit the top of that, and then we'll do a couple of stirs so that the smoke flavor gets in there. And then we're gonna breadcrumb it, and then we're gonna put it in the oven and finish it off. Crisp up the breadcrumbs and brown it up. Check out that mac and cheese. That's what we wanna see. And then we wanna stir that in. See how thick that's getting? Thick with a 3T. I'm gonna push that smoke flavor into the middle and then let it crust over again one more time, or maybe two more times. You can see how much cheese we used and how it's thickening up really good and still staying saucy. We're gonna add more per the boys' request. More cheese sauce. Can you have too much cheese sauce?
No,
Is that a thing?
never.
Then we took some of this sourdough and we just crumbled it up. This sour bastard bread. Weird that they misspelled bastard. We mixed it with Parmesan cheese and also some of that smoked garlic that we did. We're not gonna oil it, we're not gonna do anything because we want it to soak up any of the oils, butter, cheese oils, anything that float to the top. We want that bread to soak it up. And we want the bread to get super crispy. 375. Can you hear that? Crunchy breadcrumb. Cheesy goodness. Let it cool down because this is like molten fire. Yeah, that is damn good. This smoked mac and cheese is fire, and you should do it.